Ever wonder how the lush greenery in your backyard garden or the towering trees in the forest manage to sustain themselves? How do they find the energy to grow, bloom, and reproduce? The answer lies in a fascinating process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, from the Greek words photo, meaning light, and synthesis, meaning putting together, is the process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria absorb sunlight and convert it into chemical energy. This energy is stored in the form of glucose, which these organisms use to perform their daily functions. The process of photosynthesis is a complex one involving a series of chemical reactions, but don't worry, we'll break it down into simpler terms for you. Step 1. Absorption of light. The first step in photosynthesis is the absorption of sunlight by the chlorophyll, a pigment present in the chloroplasts within the plant cells. This sunlight acts as the initial spark, setting off the chain of reactions that follow. Step 2. Water splitting. The absorbed light energy is used to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. This is called photolysis. The oxygen is released into the atmosphere, which is why plants are so essential for life on Earth. Step 3. Carbon dioxide fixation. The next step is the fixation of carbon dioxide. The plant absorbs carbon dioxide from the environment and, with the help of the hydrogen from the water splitting, converts it into glucose. Step 4. Creation of glucose. The glucose created is then used by the plant for growth and reproduction. It's also stored in the plant's cells for later use. And there you have it, the magical process of photosynthesis. It's a cycle of energy conversion that leaves our planet richer and more vibrant. It's the process that fuels the lush greenery we admire, feeds the creatures of the earth, and replenishes the oxygen we breathe. Photosynthesis is not just a process, it's a lifeline. It's the lifeblood of our planet. It's the reason you can enjoy a breath of fresh air on a crisp morning or savor the sweetness of an apple. It's the force that drives the growth of our planet's beautiful, diverse flora. So the next time you see a plant, remember the magic that's happening inside its cells. Remember the sunlight it's soaking up, the water it's breaking down, and the carbon dioxide it's converting. Remember the energy it's creating and storing. Remember photosynthesis, the silent, tireless worker that keeps our world turning. In a world where we often take nature for granted, it's essential to appreciate these intricate processes and the life they support. So, take a moment to marvel at nature's ingenuity, its ability to create, sustain, and regenerate life. After all, the magic of photosynthesis is at the heart of life as we know it.